Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to remove default fragments in Android Studio project, which is given by default by Android Studio when you selecting or creating a new project from scratch. Right? So let's get started and open your Android Studio. Select your project and open it. As you can see, our project has been loaded into Android Studio. Click on the app directory, then go to Java and inside your package name. As you can see, there is a UI directory. Maximize it, and again you can see there is some directory which holds the fragments, right? As you can see in the dashboard directory, there is two classes, one for fragment and second for view model. So we have to remove these extra files, which is view model file, right? Let's select it and then press del key from your keyboard, then press OK, then press delete anyway. It has been deleted successfully. Now open dashboard fragment. As you can see, it is error, and it is why because we have deleted dashboard view mode class, right? So remove this code and also remove this one. We not need. Okay. And now go to the home directory and delete the home view model. Press OK. Then press delete anyway. Now go to the home fragment and also remove the extra code. Now done, and go to the notification and remove notification view model. Select delete anyway. Go to inside notification fragment and then remove unwanted codes like this. Okay, now our code has been cleaned. As you can see, we have removed our unnecessary files from our project, which is not required in our project. This video has been completed. We will meet you in the next video.